Winner! Winner!
Bilogin lang po.
4 p.m. Lugay ba?
Sa oras din.
3:21.
Sa oras sa kanan ko. Ano?
Very good. Winner! Winner! Laylay, clap your hands, clap your hands. Go, 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 go. Go. 1, 2, 3. Say good job, Lay. Let's go, let's go. Partner mo, go, 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 go. Partner mo.
Yes! Nag-enjoy? Ayan. So, kids, sabi ni Lala Shan, sasayaw muna tayo sa paborito niyang kanta na Love is Treasure. So, everybody, shake your hands. Everybody, shake your hands. Parents, samahan niyo po yung mga kids niyo.
Oh, partner, partner.
Shake
Go,
your
go, go, go.
hands. Shake, shake. Backward muna, kids. Backward.
Go, go lang. Go,
Ayan.
go, partner,
Throw your
partner.
hands on. Yes, raise your hands.
You can do it, you can do it.
Ayan. Down. And jump. March. Clap your hands. Right. Left. And march again. Clap your hands. Now jump. Okay, march. Very good. Clap your hands. Right. Left. Okay, kids, energy. Tap your shoulder, head, and jump. Wave your hands. Okay, kids, turn circle. Very good. And dish. Dish. And march. March. And jump. Wave your hands. Okay, machine. Turn to the right. And turn to the left. Kids, are you ready to turn around? And jump. March. Clap your hands, right, left, and march again. Clap your hands up, jump. And jump. Ayan, so everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. What's that? So everybody sit down. Sit down muna, kids. Ayan. Compress kayong lahat. Compress. Compress kayong kids. Compress. Ano na dito, babe? Compress to compress. Ayan. So, kids, gusto niyo ba ng surprise galing kay Lala Chan? Gusto niyo ba ng surprise galing kay Lala Chan? Ayan. So, si Lala Chan na ay surprise sa inyo, ha? Asa man Lala Chan? Wait lang. Kids, compress mo lang kayo, kids. Dito kayo. Ayan, sit down. Kids, let's count. 1, 2, 3. And you will say, open. What will you say? Louder. What will you say? Very good. Are you ready, Lala Chan? Are you ready, kids? Very good. And a count of 1, 2, 3. Again. Open, Lala Chan. Ayan. So everybody sit down muna, kids. Kasi lahat naman kayo mabibigyan ni Lala Chan ng giveaway. So sit down muna. When you receive a balloon, what will you say? Very good. You say thank you. Sit down muna kids. Sit down. Okay, kabalo mo kantag happy birthday. You know how to sing happy birthday? Okay, magkanta tag happy birthday kids. Lalansan, halika muna dito. May I request Kaden? Where's Kaden? Where's Kaden? May I request a guardian of Kaden? Where's Kaden? Siya, ma'am. Terasa, may I request a Terasa? Kaden? Saan ito? Saan ito? Ikaw si Kaden. Halika, ikaw si Kaden. Okay. Kuya Wilson, tagay balon si Kaden. Kids, we will sing happy birthday to Kaden, ha? Okay? Okay ba? Okay, Kuya Wilson. Wait lang. Kuya Wilson, music please. Sabi na ka to, sing man ka ha, happy birthday. Okay. Sasabayan mo kami lalatan ha ni Kaden. So we will clap our hands, kids. Kuya Wilson, music please. Okay, clap your hands! Ayan! Clap your hands! Clap your hands, kids! Oh, hataw kay sila lang siya ng energy! Okay, good! Happy birthday to you! Okay, louder!
Happy birthday to you.
Again!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, in behalf of Kizuna CDO, we would like to extend our warm greetings to Kaden a happy birthday. So thank you for choosing Kizuna to celebrate your most special day, Kaden. Okay, once again, happy birthday, Kaden. Okay, kids, you say happy birthday, Kaden.